Welcome to Writeseed. I will show you around on our AI writing platform and explain you how to leverage our over 40 fine-tuned templates to boost your productivity and marketing. First, let's start with research and article writing. This template lets you create optimized content in a 3-step process, starting with keyword and competitor analysis. We show you a list of related keywords, as well as the search volume and the CPC of them. Based on that, you can select the keywords you want to include in your article. Next, you can choose from one of the suggested topics and let our AI write your outline. The outline can include up to 12 subheadlines. You can select the number of headlines you want to include in your article and click Rewrite. Once you are happy with the result, you can proceed to the final step, where our AI writes a complete full-length article for you. On the right side, you can see important metrics such as the keyword density and the length. One of our most powerful and most popular templates is the Pro mode. It provides you with multiple tools that assist your writing. Once you started, you will receive live recommendations for the following sentences. If you like one of the suggestions, just click on them to insert them. The new recommendations will reflect your previous insertion so that you can create a coherent text with them. You can also use direct prompts to let the AI write for you. All you need to do is to select it and click the Let AI Write button. The result will be directly inserted in the editor as well. Another tool is the Expand button. You can select sentences or passages of your text to let the AI go more into detail and expand them. Of course, you can also select text to have it rewritten if you don't like a particular sentence or paragraph. You can also connect your WordPress blog to directly publish articles from within the editor. Go to writeseed.com and get started with your free trial. Even during the trial, you can write unlimited words with GPT-4.